A big day, you say? Howdy. So it's 5:45 a.m, day 37. And today I'm going to try my longest day yet, ever. 35 miles, 40 miles. How am I feeling? Physically, a little bit weary. I did 30 miles yesterday and I felt the lack of sleep over the few days over Bend. And mentally, okay. What's mental is within meters of this bear warning sign, I got to meet the famous Smokey Bear. It's 8 a.m. I've done 7 miles, so doing a little bit over, well, around 3.5 miles per hour. Oh, tree. 10 o'clock, 13.5 miles. Bit of a stitch or cramp, unsure which, just like both. Meep meep. 3 o'clock. That is a marathon in 8 hours. I actually have every confidence and self-belief that I'll do it. And 30 miles into the day, we actually came to a campsite specifically for horses where we received Trail Magic, which is beautiful. 6:41, 36 miles. 12 hours of hiking, and that is 40 miles. And look at the view. And that is Mount Hood. In total, 15-hour day, 13 hours hiking.